Hey babes, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a summer shower routine. This will be my first time doing one of these on my channel, and I'm super duper excited to show you what type of products I use and give you some tips while you're in the shower so you can get some really nice, glowy, sexy, smooth skin, okay? That's what we're all about, especially for the summer, because we're going on vacations. We outside now. And we definitely want our skin to be flourishing this summer. So I hope that you enjoy my shower routine. These are things that I personally do to keep my skin looking the way it does, okay? Especially like whenever I'm on vacation. I got a lot of compliments about how my skin was glowing on vacay. And you know, I just want to give you the tea and let you know what your girl used on her vacay. So yes, all the products will be listed down below. I do hope that you enjoy. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you're not already. Subscribe to my channel. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, so I would love to have you join the fam and just grow with me. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. I do hope that you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright babes, so now we're moving over to a voiceover, and here I am showing you some of the products that I use, not specifically for this video, but just overall whenever I'm in the shower. And lately I've been loving the Native body wash. Girl, like, oh my god. And this is not sponsored. I literally have just been buying them up. I love the different scents that they have. And Native body wash is clean ingredients, is residue free, literally doesn't feel sticky on my body, and it's made without sulfates, and it just leaves your skin feeling very soft. So the first thing that I like to do whenever I get in the shower is just rinse off and just let my body absorb all of that hot water. And I'm just really prepping my skin for anything that I'm about to do in the shower, whether that's shaving, washing, exfoliating, and all that good stuff. So yeah. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Venus Skin Smoothing Exfoliant. This is from their pubic hair and skin line, and it has fine smoothing particles where it gently exfoliates the skin surface to help loosen and sweep away old skin cells and just oil that can really just be trapped in the hair. I personally think that this exfoliator is gentle on the skin, so it's not harsh at all, and it can be used every other day. I typically only shave like once a week. We showing body yada yada, we showing skin all summer long, so definitely invest in a exfoliator. Okay, so once I exfoliate, I rinse all that off, and now I'm going in with my EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream, and this is for sensitive skin because I do have extremely sensitive skin. All right, you guys, so I'm about to put you on, so don't say I ain't never did nothing for you, okay? This razor right here is hands down one of the best razors I've ever used. Like, I'm not kidding when I say this. So this razor is from the brand called Flamingo, and it's definitely affordable. You can find it at like Target, and girl, I am so in love with it. Rarely ever get nicks, especially like if you're exfoliating before and prepping the skin. It gives you a very smooth and soft shave, and it's super sharp where it literally gets all the hairs with like one pass. You definitely have to get this razor here. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but I have to shave before I wash. I kind of feel like the shaving is the shampoo and the body wash is the conditioner. Like, you need that moisture to go back into your skin. So, of course, I'm using the Native body wash. This is in the scent called Rosé, and it smells so good, you guys. Like, oh, I love this. And I'm also going in with this loofah exfoliating washcloth. I got this from Ulta by Earth Therapeutics. This exfoliating washcloth is very gentle on the skin. Also, I can definitely use this every day and it doesn't irritate my skin. Again, exfoliating is going to help get rid of dead skins and surface impurities, and it's just going to unclog the pores, just allowing the skin to breathe and just give you super smooth skin. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm trying to look real cute for the video, but your girl be using a shower cap, okay? But I just wanted to let you know, don't play with her, okay? Please do not play with her. Look at these edges, okay? I am using the Style Factor Edge Booster, and baby, you see that steam? You see that water? It ain't even curled up or anything. Them edges are laid, okay? Like, don't play with her. Okay, so the next product I am going to use is the Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash, and I have mixed reviews about this, but I personally am not a big fan of this. For one, the applicator on this product is just super duper funky. Like, it gets stuck. I have a hard time pushing the product out, and I just hate the applicator on this. But also, I just don't really like the consistency of this product. I just don't feel like it gets me as clean as I would like for it to. So sometimes I use this, but most of the time I'm using Dove for that area. The next product that I'm going in with is the Tea Tree Oil Cooling Foot Scrub that I got from Ulta. And girl, you know, you outside, okay? You at the pool, you at the beach, you just vacationing, doing it all up. You got, okay, to take care of them feet. Make sure them feet is nice and smooth, not crusty. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going in, just making sure that the heels of my feet are smooth, because they can definitely get rough. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, girl, so this is the next product that I'm about to put you on, okay? Girl, this is literally everything and more. I talked about this in my summer essentials video, and this is a fresh brown sugar body polish. I may be a little bit late to the game, but baby, this is all I use whenever I went on vacation. When I tell you, this gives you that summer glow. It makes your skin feel super duper smooth and silky and just have you shining. Baby, you gotta get this product here. It's oil-based, but it does have, like I said, that brown sugar in it. So it's leaving your skin super duper like moisturized. Literally, you don't have to moisturize after the shower once you put this on. Like, once I rinse it off, you can just see how the water repels off my skin. Like, that's called moisture, baby, okay? This product is a 10 out of 10 for me. If you want that summer glow, get this product here. All right, so once I'm finished in the shower, I like to pat my skin dry with a towel. Do not rub. I like to just pat. That just helps me retain that moisture, and it doesn't irritate my skin, especially since I just shaved. And you can already see straight out the shower like how my skin is looking. So the next product that I like to go in with is this Neutrogena body oil. This is a light sesame oil formula, and it's fragrance free. But when I went to my gynecologist, she told me that I can use this in my area down there. I love using this product down there. I don't have any issues with using this product. It is very light and absorbing into the body, where you can use it on your damp skin right out the shower. It's not going to cause any problems, where for me it hasn't. Because I've already exfoliated with the brown sugar scrub, I'm just going to use this in that area. All right, y'all know I had to put on my Skims because I've just been loving Skims lately, and it's just super comfortable. But I am just going to put on some deodorant, and then I'm taking the Fenty Skin Moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer so freaking much. I also talked about this in my Summer Essentials video. This moisturizer is definitely going to keep you moisturized all throughout the day. Keep in mind that this is also oil moisturizer, so it will leave like oil streaks in your clothes. I only recommend applying this moisturizer if you are showing skin that day. And lastly, I'm just going to finish off my routine with a perfume. Check out my beginner perfume haul. I will have it linked somewhere up here. And this is the Replica Springtime in a Park. All right, beautiful people, that completes my 2021 summer shower routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below letting me know what's your shower routine, or what products have you been using for the summer that keeps your skin glowy and soft all summer long. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and check the description box below for all the products that I use in this video. I will see you in my next video, and again, thanks so much for watching.